You are welcome to another edition of the Market Opening Gong, where we give you updates from the Nigerian capital market. This edition captures the market performance for Friday, November 1st, 2019. From the Nigerian Stock Exchange, the all-share index closed at 26,378 basis points with a market capitalization of 12.840 trillion naira, meaning it appreciated by 0.09%. The equities market closed on a positive note and green zone on Friday. For the week-on-week performance, the market dipped by minus 0.24%, which led to investors losing about 26.98 billion naira. University Press Limited and Oando PLC were top gainers, while Champion Breweries and Nigeria Breweries topped the losers chart. Zenith Bank, Sterling Bank and Union Diagnostics were the top players in terms of trade volumes on Friday. For the FMBQ OTC exchange, the debt market size closed at 32.46 trillion naira, the NAFEX rate closed at 362 naira 25 kobo to a dollar, while the I and EFX rate opened at 362 naira 13 kobo and closed at 362 naira 75 kobo to a dollar. Looking at the NASD OTC market, the NSI closed at 699.25 basis points with a market capitalization of 502.37 billion naira. Volume of shares traded was 39,170 and the value traded 2.945 million naira in 7 deals executed. You can also check the Nigerian economic indices on the dashboard displaying on the screen. For the highlights from Friday, the Development Bank of Nigeria visited the Nigerian Stock Exchange as part of efforts to leverage partnership on deepening the activities of the NSE Growth Board. Also, President Muhammadu Buhari and King Salman of Saudi Arabia discussed the prospects of achieving the Nigeria-Saudi Council to enhance trade and investment between both nations. In Abuja, the Honorable Minister of Finance, Budget and National Planning hinted that the federal government is planning to roll out 2040 Economic Development Plan for the nation. For key market and economic events to watch, the 4th edition of the African Islamic Finance Conference begins today in Lagos. It will focus on the theme Infrastructure Financing, Sustainability and the Future of African Markets. The event will have as keynote speaker the 14th Emir of Kano, His Highness Mohammed Sanusi II, CON, and the Minister of Finance, Budget and National Planning, Mrs. Zainab Ahmed, attending. And that will be all for this edition of the Market Opening Gong. You can visit our website www.proshareng.com to get more updates from our news stories and videos. You can also follow our social media platforms showing on the screen for further updates on our market reports. Till we come your way again, thank you for watching and do have a great day.